How to auto-claim drops on Twitch. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can auto-claim drops on Twitch. For that, open any browser on your device and go to the official website of Twitch, twitch.tv. Make sure you are logged into your Twitch account. Here on this interface at the right top, you will see a profile icon. Click on the profile icon and some menu will appear like this. From here, select drops and rewards option below subscriptions. Then you will be taken to this page. Here select all campaigns next to inventory and then you will be presented with various streaming channels offering drops. Select any one of them and below you will see the instructions on how you can earn the drop. Here it says if you watch the live streaming for 20 minutes, you will claim the rewards also known as drop. Click on this participating live channel. You will be directed to their channel page. Here select any one of the live. Once you reach to this page, here at the right side you will see the stream chat. Under it you will also see Twitch drops option. Click on this little arrow to expand it. There you will see this blue line. If you watch this live streaming for 20 minutes or until this blue line finishes or comes to end, you will be able to claim the reward. Now once this blue line ends, click on this profile icon at the top again and then select drops and rewards. You will see the drop you have claimed. Once you have watched this streaming to 100% of the required time, then you will be able to claim the drop. The claimed drop will be displayed under this section. So in this way you can auto claim drops on Twitch. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.